Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Divya and in this video I will be sharing with you my review for the Eclat Superior Skincare products. Now Eclat is a fairly new Indian skincare brand and they have been formulating all sort of vegan, cruelty-free formulas pertaining to Indian skin type. And they have been in the market for some time, but I didn't get a chance to really go through their products and try something for myself. Thankfully, they reached out to me almost 2 months back or so and they consulted with me on my skin type, my particular concerns, and considering all of that, they sent out a package of these 4 products that I'm going to show you right now in a bit. And I did start using them around a couple of weeks back actually, and I did give it a break in between because I wasn't doing any skincare honestly, because there has been a lot of stress around us. There's so much going on, and at that time I was just not in the right headspace to continue to do what I was doing. I wasn't even creating content as such, so yeah, my skincare also took a back seat. But then I started back in using these products and I'm pretty happy with how they have fared out for me. So I'm going to share with you my quick review on each of those products, and let's get started. Alright, so the first product that I'm going to review from the Eclat range is their hyaluronic acid serum. It's a formulation with 12% of hyaluronic acid. And for those of you who are not aware about what exactly it is, hyaluronic acid is something that is naturally found in our skin and is responsible for skin's firmness, suppleness, softness, smoothness, and all the good stuff that we desire. Now, if you compare your skin with a baby's skin, you can understand the kind of distinction I'm trying to establish. A baby's skin is super soft, super smooth, and really tight and supple as well at the same time. But as you grow, it tends to, all of these factors tends to reduce because the hyaluronic acid in your skin is depleting because your skin is aging over time. So that's one side effect of aging. And when you apply hyaluronic acid based products topically, it helps in some way supplementing that lost hyaluronic acid, and it also enhances the ability of your skin to absorb the other products that you're applying better. And it also ensures that your skin is supple, it's also soft, it improves skin's ability to hydrate itself, retain the moisture in the skin. So that's the role primarily a hyaluronic acid plays, and I have been personally loving this product. I use it once a day for sure. It could be day or night. It's usually day. During my daytime routine I use this product, and immediately I apply my toner. I immediately apply this when my skin is still supple. You are not supposed to apply a hyaluronic acid on dry skin, super dry skin. You are supposed to apply it on damp skin, so it penetrates better, and it also ensures that the next product that you put on also penetrates better. So that's what's all about the hyaluronic acid, and I am personally really liking it. I've used quite a bit of it and I'm definitely going to continue to use it as well. Alright, so the second product that I'm going to review from the lot is their Skin Nourishment Overnight Mask, which is basically a night cream for dry skin. And if you know me, you already know that I have super dry skin, and past year has not been very good to me in terms of skin allergies, skin irritations for my body. But the last month of winters, it kind of extended to my face as well, and my face was like super dry, inflamed, sensitive, acting up on every little thing. And the last month I was traveling and I did a vlog that is yet to come on my channel, but you can clearly make a distinction. When you watch that vlog, my skin is clearly visibly inflamed, visibly dry. It has those dry patches as well, and right now it's doing so much better. The dry patches have almost disappeared ever since I came back from that trip. I started using this product and I have seen a lot of improvement in my skin. The dry patches have almost gone. The skin overall looks good. I tend to get those dry and red spots on my face. It's like visible through the skin. That has kind of subdued to a great extent. I just have a little bit of concealer over here. I don't have any other base makeup, and that's my skin. That's how it is right now. And it has been ever since I started using these products, along with my regular face wash and toner and stuff like that. And I've seen a lot of improvements. So I'm really happy. Especially this product, I have to say that it is my favorite from the lot. It has worked like it was made for me. It's like a match made in heaven. So I'm definitely looking forward to emptying this tub and getting a new one for me as well. This is, I think, going to stay with me for a very long time. So the third product is the 10% niacinamide serum. Now niacinamide is something that I've never used in the past. This is going to be the first time. In fact, I started using this very recently when I started to break out a little bit. So I typically do not break out. I'm not an acne prone skin type, but I do get acne very rarely on this part of my face and over here as well. Now this happens when my stress and anxiety goes over the roof, and this is the kind of pattern that I've observed over the last few years. It doesn't really happen every month, every week. It happens very rarely, but when it happens back to back. Like recently I got a very big inflamed active acne over here, which is kind of gone. It just left a little bit of mark, but I get a few chota hair as well, and then a few bumps over here. So I know that it's a phase and it will just go away, and then it won't come for months. So that's how it typically works with me. So I started using this one, and I feel that it has really helped in calming the inflamed ones, and almost the bumps are gone. Like there's nothing I can feel, but I do have marks over here. I'm not sure if it's visible in the camera right now, and I do have bumps over here, which I'm assuming will go eventually. These are not inflamed or active or anything, but these are definitely not visible through naked eye. But these are something, when you touch, you can feel it. That's kind of those kind of bumps these are. So yeah, I'm going to be using this product every now and then when my skin breaks out, when my skin is inflamed, when I feel my skin barrier is not doing good. That's the time I'm going to incorporate this, and otherwise I'm going to take a break from this, because I'm somebody who likes to just use 3-4 products in the routine at once. If I incorporate too many products, I will end up not using any. So I like to keep it very minimal. So whenever my skin will act up and I feel that there is a need to use niacinamide serum, I'm going to incorporate this accordingly in my routine. Alright, so the last one from this lot is the Day of Cleansing Balm, which is essentially a makeup cleanser. And as somebody who loves doing makeup and has tried a lot of makeup cleansers, I can tell you for sure that this is a good one, because it gently rips off all the makeup from your face, takes away all traces of makeup, and doesn't make your skin feel dry. It doesn't rip off all the natural moisture. In fact, it nourishes the skin, and it's something that you don't really have to work a lot with. It very gently, nicely, quickly breaks down the makeup. So that's the best part of it. But unfortunately, I've only used it twice, given the scenario we're all at home, and as I mentioned, I've not been creating a lot of content, so I've not been doing makeup as such, so I couldn't really use it. But I know, as somebody who has used so many makeup cleansers and who does a lot of makeup, from full glam to regular day makeup, I know that this one is a good one. And I am definitely looking forward to start getting back to those back-to-back videos kind of days, and use it on a continuous basis. So yeah, these were my quick reviews for all the 4 products. Alright, so that was all for this video. I hope you found it helpful. I'll be leaving the website link and the product links in the description bar below, and I will be also leaving a discount coupon for you, so do not forget to use that and save some money. I will see you very soon with another video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and please stay at home and stay safe.